Most people solve problems by copying what others are doing. Elon Musk, he builds rockets from scratch using a mental model called first principles thinking. What if you could use the same model to think 100x clearer in business, productivity, or even relationships? Let me show you how. At its core, first principles thinking is a way to break a problem into fundamental truth, things that are undeniably true, and then building your solution on that. It's how scientists work, and it's how innovators like Musk, Jobs, and even Aristotle solved hard problems. So, how do you actually do first principles thinking? Let's work with something relatable to start engineering breakthrough ideas. You say, I want to get fit, but what does that actually mean? Lose weight? Build muscle? Feel more energetic? Step 1. Clarify the problem deeply. Don't just ask, how do I fix this? Ask, what exactly am I trying to solve? Get precise, be specific. A better problem statement is, I want to lose 5 kilos without quitting pizza. Or I want to lose 5 kg in 3 months without going to the gym. Now that's specific. And when you are specific, you can reverse engineer a strategy that works for you. Step 2. List all assumptions and question them. Write down everything you believe to be true about the problem, even the obvious stuff. You might believe things like, I have to go to the gym, or I need to eat only boiled food to be healthy, or weight loss only happens through cardio. Here's the twist. Don't treat those like facts. Treat them like suspects. Are these truths or just assumptions? Step 3. Break it down to first principle. Now dig deeper. What's always true regardless of trends? What do you know to be scientifically, mathematically, or logically true here? Find fundamentals. What actually causes weight loss? Calorie deficit, right? You basically need to move more and eat slightly less. Step 4. Challenge every assumption. Take each assumption and ask yourself, is this necessarily true? Can you do it another way? That's where new solutions hide. What if you don't need personal trainer? What if you don't need meals plan? Maybe it's walking and mindful eating. This is where freedom starts when you realize you have been handcuffed by assumptions that aren't even yours. Step 5. Rebuild the solution from the ground up. But this time, not with borrowed tools, with original thinking. What can you create using only the truths you have identified? What would your solution look like if no one told you how it should be done? This is the moment breakthrough ideas are born. You realize you can eat normal food, just smaller portion. You can walk 10k steps a day instead of hitting the gym for 90 minutes. Now you create your own model, one that actually fits your life and that's personalized, sustainable, and actually enjoyable. Elon Musk didn't ask, how can I make rockets cheaper? He asked, what are rockets made of? And what do those parts cost? He found he could build rockets way cheaper, so he did, and gave birth to SpaceX. Steve Jobs reimagined the phone. Everyone else added more buttons. He asked, what's essential? He simplified phones into a screen, touch interface, and usability. Game changer. Even in daily life, I use first principles to redesign my productivity system. I stopped copying fancy setup. I asked, what do I really need to track? Task, calendar, habits. That's the beauty of first principles thinking. It's personalized, powerful, and original. And just 5 minutes of deep questioning daily can shape how you solve everything. Here are a few tools to practice first principles daily. The 5 whys technique, simple and powerful. Ask why 5 times in a row to dig into the root of the problem. Keep drilling until you hit bedrock truth. Socratic questioning. Challenge your own beliefs with deep questions. Be your own debate partner. This is the method ancient philosophers used to break illusions. Use it on yourself like a personal coach. It will sharpen your logic like a sword. Inversion thinking. Flip the problem. Ask yourself, what would cause this to fail? Or how could you fail at this? And then reverse engineer a strategy to avoid it. It's how elite thinkers predict problems before they show up. Reframing. This is about changing the lens. Try different perspectives. What would the other ways look like? Reframing often unlocks originality. The blank page test. Could you rebuild this idea from scratch, alone, without referencing anything? You don't need more information. You need better thinking frameworks. Next time you're stuck, break it down into first principles and rebuild your own system. In a world where knowledge is cheap and AI can do your to-do list, your edge is how you think. First principles thinking trains your brain to solve problems that don't have a Googleable answer, and it's how you outthink the average. Like this mental model? Subscribe for more self improvement resources to upgrade your life and drop in the comments what's one problem you will rethink using first principles on.